What did he do? What did he do? What did he do? See justice crack, guys! See justice crack! See justice crack! See justice crack! See justice crack! Justice, nothing will happen to you! Free justice crack! Nothing will happen to justice crack! Look at justice crack! Look at justice crack! Look at justice crack! They want to take him to prison! They want to take him to prison! Justice! I don't care! You want Jamie? You want Jamie with that man? Oh, go kill now! Look at justice, guys! Free justice crack! Free justice crack! Free justice crack! You are a man! You are a hero! Justice! You are a hero! Justice!
Ladies and gentlemen, if you watch carefully, this is a video of Justice Crack being taken back to the prison to where he has been kept all this while. And before now, some of you might not know who the young guy is. Justice Crack is someone who speaks up about the bad governance, about the bad economy in the country. So his last video he did was about him talking about the poor feeding of the military, of the soldier. So, and since he made the video, he were nowhere to be found. So some caring Nigeria begin to ask the whereabouts of Justice Crack, and it was later discovered that it was picked up by Nigeria military, which no one knows before. And right now, they had the case in the court today, and it's been taken back to the prison till May 25th without knowing his crime, without listening to his crime. Like, what kind of country are we? Where are we heading to? That a common citizen does not have the right to talk again. If you see bad thing, you can't say it out anymore. Why? So this him being taken back to the prison for just talking about the poor feeding of the military, of the poor